The first day I saw you since long ago, I still remember it was so cold, and you were warming up with some green tea. You asked me, can you lend me sugar? You grabbed the chicken bowl and shook her, and you put all the sugar right on me. And what a crash, felt the sudden sugar rush as you sang me your apologies. And when the second day we met by chance, what a sweet coincidence to find the sugar girl right next to me. Decided it's time to introduce myself. Your name that came with an address that led me to my favorite night in years. Just 7 days, and sugar's almost everywhere. It's oh so sweet, I'm almost melting on the street. And I don't know, what have you done with me, sugar girl? It's like a new wind is blowing today. I think I can see the shore. It was so dark yesterday, I never did hope for more. And don't know what came over me the moment you caught my eye. I was alone on the sea, but never did find out why. You saw something there where I was drifting. You sent up a flare to bring me home. A beauty I never did see in anyone else's eyes. We were alone on the sea, under deserted skies. I saw something there out in the distance, a wing and a prayer to bring you home. got myself into a world full of trouble. I've been losing my head, losing the battle. I drag myself downtown, but I'm not there. I got myself into a world full of trouble. I reach for the stars, but I cannot go higher. I'm on a paper plane flying into your fire. Wearing faces and pretend I'm fine. I reach for the stars, but I cannot go higher. I'm always chasing things I cannot have, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I'll take another hit from you, I'll take another step, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I'm a satellite in orbit around you. Your gravitational pull is making my heart move. Drifting outer space with no control. I'm a satellite in orbit around you. I'm always chasing things I cannot have, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I'll take another hit from you, I'll take another step, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I know there is a peaceful place on this earth. I know there is a peaceful place. Chasing things I cannot have, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I'll take another hit from you, I'll take another step, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. You're the one thing, 'cause you're the one thing, 'cause you're the one thing. I got myself into a world full of trouble. I've been losing my head, losing the battle. I try-